Yeah, there are all these like BuzzFeed articles about like, what do women really want? What do guys really want? And it's like 20 things on the list. And there's always a chainsaw or like a new trimmer, or there's something that they're just trying to get you to buy. And we have three basic needs. Three: to be seen, to be heard, to be understood. That's it. That's all we want, right? And two stories to highlight that is we're at dinner the other night and with some friends, and we had eaten everything off our plates. Like there wasn't even a morsel, there was nothing for the ants to come get. And the waiter comes over and he was like, "Oh, can I take your plates?" And in my head, I'm like, "Yeah, like there's like we're clearly done. We've ravaged this place." And he was like, "Well, I asked because sometimes if I just come take the plate, the person says, please just acknowledge me first. Don't just take my plate without acknowledging me and asking me first." And I thought, like, wow, that's so powerful that, even in that situation, people want to be seen and acknowledged by the waiter, right? And not to, put down a waiter, but by a stranger, somebody they don't even know. They're just like, please see me, acknowledge me, and then you can take that. But a more powerful example is a couple weeks ago, we're in Santa Monica having lunch, and we're on a patio. And the patio had like a small little gate up to separate the restaurant part from the sidewalk. And this guy who was homeless walked up to the gate to where we're eating, and he starts repeating back everything that we're saying. And so me and my girl are like, "Yeah, we just got back from Peru." And he's like, "Yeah, we just got back from Peru." We're like, "Yeah, we had an amazing time." "Yeah, we had an amazing time." And so we did that thing where we like hyper focused on each other, right? Like if we just look at each other and put our heads down, this will go away. And of course it doesn't work. And finally I turned to look at him and I said, "I see you." And he looked at me like, "What?" And I go, "I see you." And he said, "Thank you." And he just walked away. All he wanted was to be seen. And he didn't care if he had to make a fool of himself, if he had to take his hand and put it on our plate, or whatever he had to do. He just wanted to be seen. And so a lot of conflict in relationships is just us wanting to be seen by the other person. And so I just wanted to share that with you, and it was just a powerful moment for all of us.